Good day, I'm Rancid Machubiray of 5 Sila. Today, we're going to study why some materials are good conductors of heat and electricity. Have you noticed that nowadays, we can do things easily and comfortably? Most places in the country has electricity. Because of this, you can just click to make a dark place lighter. Conductors are materials that allow electricity and heat to flow freely. When you check your pots and pans in your kitchen, you will see that it's made of metal, steel, or aluminum. Why are they suited for cooking utensils? When you peel off the coating of electric wire, you will see the copper wire inside. Copper wire is the most widely used material for connecting electrical devices. Copper wires are widely used for electrical wiring because they are ductile and are good conductors of electricity. Aluminum is a very good conductor of both electricity and heat. Most insulated power cables in supply systems are aluminum cables. Iron is a good conductor. The electrons of ionic compounds are also able to move freely. Gold is highly conductive, meaning electricity can easily flow through it with minimal resistance. Silver is the best conductor of electricity because it contains a higher number of movable atoms. Metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Most metals are pretty good conductors. However, apart from silver, copper is the best. It is used in many heating applications because it doesn't corrode and has a high melting point. The only material that has similar resistance to corrosion is stainless steel. Water doesn't need to have a large amount of impurities to act as a good conductor of electricity. Even a small amount of ions can enable a source of water to conduct electric current. Nickel is a fairly good conductor of electricity and heat and is one of only 4 elements: cobalt, iron, nickel, and gadolinium that are ferromagnetic at room temperature. Insulators are materials that doesn't allow heat and electricity to pass through. Examples of materials that belongs to insulators are the following: wood, brick, plastic, glass, oil, rubber, pencil, cloth, silk, shoebox, objects that's not made of iron are not good conductors of heat and electricity.